Welcome to Sunrise Auto Sales. We will offer you the best financing available, with credit union lending rates as low as 3.89% OAC.
Check out this pre-owned 2008 GMC Sierra 2500. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 102,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, and OnStar.
Thanks for visiting our website. Please call now.